Workflow at a standstill because of the Gameuxinstallhelper.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. To begin the walkthrough for Gameuxinstallhelper, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This DLL file is a specialized library used during the installation of PC games. It assists in registering titles with the Windows Game Explorer and ensures that metadata like box art and ratings are displayed correctly. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since the Gameuxinstallhelper.dll is a third-party application file associated with Windows OS Core, it isn't part of Windows. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of Windows OS Core will restore the correct version of this file to your local directory. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregister the Gameuxinstallhelper component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for the Gameuxinstallhelper.dll that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines the Gameuxinstallhelper optimization concepts. If this fix repaired the Gameuxinstallhelper dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.